Winter Storm Donald really coming together. It looks like this is mainly going to be a freezing rain and sleet event for the eastern sections of Wisconsin, eventually turning over to snow. We are going to see a couple inches of snow accumulate, especially Thursday night, but I think it's the ice that's going to be the big problem with this storm. Winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories out to the west and right through the eastern parts of the state. Winter weather advisory for most of our area through 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Snow comes into our area tomorrow night, so there is a chance that that could be changed or extended into tomorrow night. With Winter Storm Donald, we are expecting light snow and sleet during the morning hours tomorrow. Initially, the atmosphere is cold enough to support snow, but with the storm tracking almost right over Green Bay, it draws enough warm air northward to change most of the area over to sleet and freezing rain during the afternoon on Thursday. And then as the storm moves by, the cold air dumps back in, back over to snow by Thursday night with very strong winds. Matter of fact, some wind gusts in parts of the area could top 50 miles an hour heading into Friday morning. Right now, very little showing up on future track radar. 37 currently in Green Bay. We've had sunshine. It's been a gorgeous day today, but the storm is already developing out the front range of the Rockies. Winds right now south at 8 miles an hour will fall to 28 by 10 o'clock tonight, 25 tomorrow morning. A little light snow during the morning, and it will be occasional during the day tomorrow, and then freezing rain, sleet, and snow to the northwest coming in during the afternoon. Severe weather index for now in the moderate category. Light snow eventually turning over to freezing rain as we head into tomorrow afternoon, and then back to snow and windy tomorrow night. Snow, sleet, and freezing rain, obviously the weather story. I'm expecting temperatures to be cold enough early, especially early in the day tomorrow, that initially it will be snow. And then we're going to change more towards sleet and then eventually rain and freezing rain through much of the afternoon. But even with rain, the ground temperature is still at 23, so that means we're going to see things freezing and then back over to snow as we head into tomorrow night. So it could be very sloppy around the area throughout the day. 39 currently in Appleton, wind chills at 33. Temperatures made it into the 40s over a good chunk of Wisconsin during the day today. Winds mainly out of the south, about 5 to 12 miles an hour, and that is going to gust into the teens even overnight tonight. During the day tomorrow as the storm approaches, we could see wind gusts in the afternoon in the 30-mile-an-hour range. And then the strongest winds come in once the storm passes. We could see gusts near 50 on Friday morning and in the 40s much of the day. Friday is going to be extremely windy. Right now, radar not showing much close to home, but that is going to change. The wider view shows the storm developing out in the front range of the Rocky Mountains. That starts pressing towards the east, brings in light snow initially, and then a mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain, eventually changing over mainly to freezing rain and sleet through the afternoon and evening before going back over to all snow, and the wind really kicks up as this storm passes by, and the winds will be with us through the day on Friday. Close-up look at it shows that precipitation initially is light snow showers, and then snow and sleet moves back in, changes over to freezing rain and rain before going back over to snow heading into tomorrow night. So snowfall-wise, heaviest snow is going to be over the northwest parts of the area, and quite a dramatic change from Green Bay driving west towards Antigo on 29. It could be a 10-inch difference between Green Bay and Wausau, and the freezing rain and icing is really going to be a problem for the Fox Valley right through the lakeshore areas. Here's what I'm expecting: 2 to 5 inches for Green Bay and the Fox Valley, and then amounts drop dramatically as you move out to the west, less along the lakeshore. But most of our viewing area, I think you're going to see significant icing on untreated surfaces. And as the winds kick up heading into Thursday night, that could cause problems with trees and with power lines. So that's something we'll have to watch. And again, just a small change in the track of this storm could mean some big differences because of how tight that snow grid is. Tonight, increasing clouds, 25 for the overnight low. Tomorrow, snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Snow and sleet initially, changing to freezing rain. Then back to snow tomorrow night, 35 for the high. And then Friday, windy, morning flurries, mostly cloudy. 22 for the high, but wind gusts up to 45 on Friday. 15 for the high Saturday, and then temperatures just nosedive. We're in the teens Saturday, Sunday, and Monday for highs, and then single-digit highs coming back in next week. 8 for the high Tuesday, 2 for the high on Wednesday, with more overnight lows below zero and possibly even negative teens below zero. And again, that would mean we'll likely break that record for number of nights below zero in a winter season.
All right, so pay attention as we move later through the evening and into tomorrow.
And the best advice I could give everybody right now: buy salt tonight.
Okay, just after we have a nice day today. Too bad I couldn't stick around a few more days.
Or a week.
Yeah, that's right. All right, salt, buy salt.